You'll probably ditch your canned tuna after watching this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use salmon as tuna replacement that is healthier and better for you. I'm also going to show you these amazing recipes that you'll fall in love with. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I know canned tunas are really convenient, easy to make quick recipes with. However, if you're health conscious like me and you worry about the BPA, the preservatives, toxin levels like mercury, using wild caught salmon is way better for you. Not only does it taste better, but it is also healthier. It has omega-3 fatty acids and other beneficial vitamins and minerals. Just make sure that you are using wild caught salmon. That way you don't have to worry about the toxins in farm raised salmon. Now, how much salmon you use depends on how much you're trying to make, but I'm using about 5 pieces of cut salmon. And these are the ingredients. Just basic seasonings like sea salt, seasoning salt and pepper. You're gonna need a good mayo, also Dijon mustard, some onions, some lemons. And what I like to do is season my salmon. You don't have to do this, but I like to season my salmon before I steam it. However, if you want to wait till you're steaming it, you can wait till then to add in your salt and pepper and whatever seasonings you want. You can also use skinned salmon. However, I like the skin on my salmon because the skin has a lot of nutrients, and some of the nutrients are concentrated on the skin. So if you're using the salmon with the skin on, make sure you put it on the skillet so that the skin is facing up. That way it doesn't stick to the bottom. I mean, if it stick to it, you can just scrub it off too, but this is a better way to steam it. And once it's done, I'm gonna transfer it into a large enough bowl. Please don't throw away the brine of the salmon or the juice, whatever you want to call it. It helps keeps it moist. Also, it helps soften the mixture once it's done. So you want to break it down into small, tiny pieces like this. And once everything is broken down, you're gonna add your mayo, your Dijon mustard, your lemon, and whatever seasoning you want to add. Now, I like to cook with intentionality and purpose. I do incorporate a lot of things that are anti-inflammatory in my recipes. So I do like to add things like turmeric to my recipes as a seasoning because turmeric is great when it comes to fighting inflammation. So if you have joint issues, if you have any kind of inflammatory issues, try to incorporate turmeric with whatever you're cooking. With turmeric, you have to add black pepper to it. That way it can absorb better in your body because it needs peppering to absorb better in your body. I also like to use sea salt and then squeeze in half a lemon. Once all your seasonings and everything is in, you're gonna mix it up well, make sure everything is incorporated. I know not everyone is crazy about raw onions, but raw onions taste really good with this. So if you decide to add raw onions, you can add that to it. Just chop some onions up into small pieces like this, and it doesn't have to be a lot. Once you're done mixing this up, it is ready to be served, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite ways that I like to use this salmon recipe. Another thing that I like to add to this sometimes is pickles. If you chop up some pickles just like the onions and add it to this, it tastes really good. I just happen not to have any when I was making this video, but if you do like pickles, you can also chop those up and add it to this. So here I'm just finishing up mixing this, and you can put this quote unquote tuna or tuna replacement on toast. Make sandwiches, or you can make salads with it, which I'm going to show you because those are my favorite ways of making this. You can also eat them as a dip, like using crackers or even cucumbers. But this is one of the ways that I'm going to show you how I like to eat this, which is over toast with also avocados and cucumbers on the side. So here's a toast. By the way, this is sourdough spelt bread. Try to use high quality bread if you are eating bread. Sourdough bread is always better, and make sure it is real sourdough bread. And I am lucky enough to live in a state that we have this French bakery that sell really high quality and good bakery. So I don't mind making the drive to get my bread over there. But anyway, you just want to spread it over toast like this. You can either just add some paprika on it like this and eat it as that, or if you want to go fancier or want to incorporate more healthy fats and fiber and protein to your diet, you can add some avocado on top just like this. Spread it and it is ready to be served. Now, guys, when I say I am done with tuna, I am done with tuna. Like, this is so much better than tuna. It tastes fresh, it is way healthier for you. So let me know if you're gonna try this. But this is my new tuna replacement and it tastes amazing. And you know how else I like to enjoy this? By eating it with salad. Guys, this is one of the best salads I've made using salmon. Adding it to my salad for extra protein. So if you want to add protein to your salad, this is a good way to do that. This is just a regular salad, but this salmon mix makes it taste so much better. Add some balsamic vinegar with olive oil and add your toppings. Now, if you're eating for health as well as beauty, try adding some goji berries to your salads. For one, it tastes really good, especially with this salmon mixture. And secondly, goji berries are really high in antioxidants, so it helps with anti-aging, beauty, as well as immune support. And I love to add sunflower seeds to my salads too for its anti-inflammatory benefits and selenium. And it tastes really good with salad. So these are like purposeful ingredients, but they also taste really good. Let me know what other recipes go well with tuna so I can use this tuna replacement salmon to try that. This wraps it up for this video. I hope you learned something from it and I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a like. Also, if you're leveling up and want to learn more recipes, healthier recipes, better for you recipes that help with beauty and glow as well as for your health, don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification button so you'll be notified when I post a video. I hope you have an amazing day, evening, night, wherever you are, and I hope to catch you on my next video.